Thank you, Christine. And I'm so happy to be here. I've been peaking throughout my day. Of course, I'm working, but whenever I could take a little break, I've been peaking. And this is an amazing summit. Congrats to you. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. My name is Patia Abdul Razak, as Christine said. She said it right. And in addition to being a Grow with Google speaker, I also own a boutique marketing firm in New York City called the Stylist Group. And we provide email marketing services, all things social media, as well as micro influencer collaborations for lifestyle brands. If you are unfamiliar with the Grow with Google program, Grow with Google brings the best in class digital skills training to individuals so that they can learn skills to improve their careers as well as to grow their business. And if you're curious to find out more, please visit google.com/grow. All right, so let's jump right in. Please do connect with me on social media. These are my handles. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn, Patia A. Abdul Razak, and I think that I'm the only one. And be sure to hashtag Grow with Google if you want to share any tips about today's presentation that you found to be useful. All right, so today we'll focus on 3 digital skills that can make your everyday work life easier, both while you're working remotely, which has been almost the entire of 2020, and at a traditional office when we get back to those days. Now, let's acknowledge the fact that when you're trying to stay productive at home, it can be even more important to keep track of your to-do list and also to find ways to collaborate with your team and keep your organization and business partners updated about all of the progress that you're making. So to highlight these business needs today, we'll demonstrate several digital skills using an example scenario. And our example scenario is going to be planning a company summit, but keep in mind that these skills and applications can work for a variety of workplace situations. So what we'll do today to demonstrate the tools is we'll build 3 example projects that demonstrate exactly how to enhance your productivity and make progress on your work. And you can implement these skills immediately after this presentation. So let's dive in and get started. If you wanted to take a quick snapshot of exactly what we're going to cover, you can do so. But as we go through the presentation, you should be able to keep up. All right. So many of you joining us today may have already had an event that you have planned, Christine, like a virtual summit, or you're in the process of planning that event right now. Like I said, we will practice these tools in the context of planning an event. But again, keep in mind that these digital skills can be applied to many situations. For example, you can use a sheet to create a budget or a job search plan. You can use a Google document to create a resume or a cover letter, design a flyer, or brainstorm for a really big project. The starting point, as always, is that we need to first access these applications, and to do so, we need to sign into our Google accounts. And so many people are like, I don't have a Google account. If you have a Gmail address, you have a Google account. Signing into your Google account allows you to access lots of Google applications that you can use for both work and home. If you don't have a Google account, you can simply create one by going to gmail.com and following the prompts. The whole process never takes more than 5 minutes top, actually more like 2 to 3.